Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video for Bramble Fox. I will be making a layout today using some of the perspectives from the April Fox box as well as a couple of banners from the Bramble Fox shop. I'll be using mainly my March 2021 hip kits for this layout, and I will be fussy cutting a few pieces from the Wonders collection by Paige Evans with American Crafts. So I'm starting by rolling these flowers. These set of rolled flowers are pre-cut already. They're cardstock and are part of the embellishment kit from Hip Kit Club. You can see that there are different sizes, different colors, and different kind of flowers in this set. I'm using this pink pattern paper as my background. We're not gonna play with any mixed media today. It's just gonna be our photo, the few embellishments we're gonna use along with the perspectives and our journaling. So a very, very simple page to put together, but the fact that we're going to be playing with the texture of some of the layers that we're going to create with our photo, our paper, then the flowers, and then the perspectives. So it's a very fun layout. Just playing with the placement now for these flowers. I have one of the tags from the Wonders collection. I just cut it in half. Keep playing here with the placement, and once I know that this is exactly how I like it, I'm going to make sure that that main cluster is all glued together. All right, so now it is just I'm deciding where I'm gonna place my banners. I want one on the top right and one on the bottom left, and now we are just making sure that our butterflies, our flowers, rolled flowers are all looking nice. Not sure what flowers we're gonna place here, and that's gonna be the final placement right there. Deciding where to place my butterflies. I'm gonna now remove the plastic protector on both layers, add the hot glue, and here we go. All right, and this is basically all I did. So now I'm just adding the last few embellishments. Few enamel dots on the right side of the paper, and I think we're using a few ones on the bottom, some of the blue ones. And now we're gonna come with our journaling. All right, and this is it, my friends. As you can see, very simple page, but the fact that we're playing with so many different elements and the texture, dimension, materials, the colors that we're combining make it really special. This is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you share all the projects that you guys have been making with all the perspectives from your April Fox box, as well as the products from the shop. I'm leaving all the information below, the link to the website and the link to the specific products that I added from the shop. And please let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to get back to you always as soon as possible. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.